About 90% of adults can't imagine starting their day without caffeine, and millions make meditation a daily practice. So what happens when these two collide? Chaos? Or could there be a hidden benefit? Caffeine puts your brain on high alert, speeding heart rate, pumping dopamine, and sharpening focus. Meditation does the opposite, activating your rest and digest system, slowing your heart, and quieting your thoughts. I am Dan, a coactive coach, and welcome back to Awakened Practice. When caffeine and meditation meet, the outcome depends on three key levers you control: dose, experience, and timing. First, dose. Caffeine doesn't create energy. It blocks fatigue signals in your brain. Too much, over 200 milligrams, can trigger anxiety, racing thoughts, and agitation, making meditation feel impossible. But a smaller dose, around 50 to 100 milligrams, roughly half a cup of coffee or a strong green tea, can enhance alertness while keeping your mind calm. It's all about balance. Second, experience. Beginners often feel caffeine's energy as overwhelming, interpreting jittery thoughts as failure. Experienced meditators simply observe the sensation without reacting. Your body's response becomes a tool, not a barrier. If you're new, consider meditating caffeine-free for a few weeks to establish a baseline calm. Third, timing. Caffeine peaks 45 to 90 minutes after consumption. Meditating too soon can trigger frenzy. Wait around 90 minutes after your first sip, and you'll find that perfect state of relaxed alertness, awake, focused, yet calm. Here's a simple 5-step protocol. Step 1. Wake up and hydrate. No phone yet. Let your body and mind naturally awaken. Step 2. Do a short 5-minute caffeine-free meditation to set your baseline calm. Step 3. Enjoy your coffee mindfully, keeping it within the 50 to 100 milligram sweet spot. Step 4. Wait about 90 minutes, letting caffeine settle while you work or read. Step 5. Meditate again. Notice the difference: alert, focused, calm, and present. The truth? Caffeine and meditation aren't rivals, they're nuanced tools. At the right dose, with proper timing and experience, caffeine can reduce mind wandering, heighten sensory clarity, and support focus. Mismanaged, it becomes chaos. By understanding these levers, you can transform your morning routine into a practice that enhances presence rather than sabotaging it. If this helped you, hit like, comment your experience, and share it with someone who thinks coffee and meditation can't mix. I am Dan, a coactive coach. Remember, the mind won't change until you do.